Hello everyone, welcome back to Wolvespirit Productions. We have a special item to show you here. Jester's whining in the background. This is a extra large griddle press or burger press or food press that when you're cooking burgers, for example, that's why we bought this, and they don't want to stay flat, you can use one of these to keep them flat. It's a weighted, I think this one is cast iron. So here's the handle. You gotta assemble it apparently. And it's Bodkar is the brand. Here's the booklet, the paperwork, screws, all the hardware. Let's see if I can get this out. This thing is heavy. It's like 5.5 pounds. But it's 9.7 inches square. And our skillet that we use in the electric skillet is 16 by 10 inches-ish. Especially at the bottom part where the food is. Yeah, it's heavy. And there is no grooves. Yeah, the one we saw, I saw it said it had grooves.
It showed pictures of grooves.
Yeah, so this will be easy to clean. It's supposed to be non-stick. And then, like I said, this is the handle. You guys screw it into the top. And we're going to use this tonight for the first time to make cheeseburgers. So, we'll see how it works, right, David?
Mm-hmm. Assemble the handle and tighten up tighten up the 3-inch hexagonal HESXAGONAL with the small hexagon wrench.
Foreign language translation. Gotta love it. We're making cheeseburgers tonight for dinner, and for the first time we're going to use the new burger press, food press, whatever press you want to call it. And I'll put the link to that in the description of this video. That way if anyone wants to try it, you can get it on Amazon and use our Amazon affiliate link. Doesn't cost you anything more, but it does help us. Usually that's how David keeps the burgers flat. He squishes them down with a spatula. How he has been doing it anyway. Kind of bends the spatula out of shape. Right? A little bit.
Not really. But it's just a lot of effort.
Yeah. Now with this 5.5 pound 9.7 inch square press, they can just sit on the burgers.
It fits perfectly in that
Yeah.
skillet.
This is a 16 by 10 skillet that we bought from Walmart. It's a little bit bigger than the skillet we used to cook in. And it's been working pretty well for us too. It has a glass lid that sits on that right there.
Yep.
And it's a hinge lid. Don't need the lid for making burgers though. So what do you think of the press so far, David?
It fits.
It fits, it cooks,
Yeah.
it presses, it flattens.
Exactly. It fits, it chips, right?
Yeah. And this specific press that we bought does not have any kind of grooves or anything on the bottom. So it should be pretty easy to clean off. Just wipe it with a wet soapy towel or something, paper towel.
Initially, just wipe it with a clean paper towel.
Yeah. on trying to find a safe place to put it when it's not in use. Don't want 5.5 pounds falling from the top bunk, but that's where most stuff is stored now. Jester's always safe in his house while we're moving, of course, so don't have to worry about anything falling on his head. Just ours. Right, David?
Exactly. 3 minutes. Double.
Yeah, careful with where you're dribbling. Extra fat on these. Need to figure out somewhere that we can sit the press after use and when we're not needing to use it while cooking and not be dripping grease all over the place. Right, David?
Yep.
There's not a whole lot of room in a semi-truck for these things. For cooking in the truck and putting utensils when not in use and all that. So is it working as well as you thought it would?
I think so, yeah.
Careful, it's hot. Another added bonus benefit of using the press is less splatters from the hot grease popping.
Yep.
See, there's no grooves on the bottom side. Got done?
Yeah.
Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you use a burger press if you make burgers at home. And what do you put on your burger? We do American and Swiss cheese and ketchup and I put bacon on mine. And we definitely need to find a better way, better place to put that.
Cool off pretty quick here.
So what do you think of the press, David?
Yeah, it worked pretty good.
Other than not having anywhere to put it?
Yeah, not having a place to put it. The press itself worked great.
Yeah.
The truck did.
Yeah. And we're kind of on a hill.
Yeah.
Leaning.
Yeah. That affects what we can do with it a great deal.
But we will continue using it, right?
Yeah.
I guess that's about it for this video. We hope you enjoyed watching. Hope we didn't make you too hungry.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all on the next one.